morning, all. I hope you all are fine and staying healthy too. So, this is your German teacher Urvashi Sharma, and today I'm going to start with your advice book question. So, let us begin. But, you know what you have to do? Subscribe the channel, share the video, and don't forget to like. And don't forget to press the bell icon also. So students, today I'm gonna start with the question of your Lehrbuch, Frage Nummer 2. And in this question, as you can see, schreiben Sie die imperative form für du und ihr, which means we have to change these sentences in du form as well as ihr form. So let me just give you a recapitulation of rules. With do, we will not use st and we will not use subject as to. With ihr, we will not use subject but we will use t at the verb ending. So, like first point, schlagen ihre Schwester nicht. With du form, it will become schlag ihre Schwester nicht. With ihr form, it will become schlagt ihre Schwester nicht. And with both the points, don't forget to put an exclamation mark. Second point, lesen Sie den Satz vor. With du, it will become lies Satz vor. And with ihr, it will become lest Satz vor. Exclamation mark. Third point, sehen Sie jetzt nicht fern, which means do not watch TV. So we will write with du, it will become Sie jetzt nicht fern, and with ihr it will become seht jetzt nicht fern. Exclamation mark. Observe in all three sentences, with du form I am not using st and I am not using du, but with ihr form I am using t with my verbs. Fourth point, sprechen Sie auf Deutsch. With du it will become sprich auf Deutsch bitte. And with ihr it will become sprecht auf Deutsch bitte. 5. Seien Sie ruhig. With du it will become sei ruhig. And with ihr it will become seid ruhig. Sixth point, essen Sie doch langsam. Eat slowly. With du it will become ist doch langsam. And with ihr it will become esst doch langsam. Don't forget to put an exclamation mark with all the verbs, with all the sentences at the last, because imperative sentences will always end on exclamation mark. Seventh point, antworten Sie sofort. With du it will become antwort sofort, which means answer immediately. And with ihr form it will become antwortet sofort. Eighth point, laden Sie Ihren Lehrer auch ein, which means invite your teacher also. With du it will become lad Ihrer Lehrer auch ein, and with ihr it will become ladet Ihrer Lehrer auch ein. In 9th and 10th point you have to do on your own. These will be your homework. But so far we have done imperative and I have just explained how to change the sentences in du form and in ihr form. Now the very important thing is you have your exams very soon, my lovely students, and you have to prepare yourself nicely for the same. For that you have only 2 chapters coming. Prepare those chapters nicely. Focus on grammar. You will have your exam in objective test only and you will be having your exam on Google Forms. You have to put your focus on grammar. You will be having the same process, the same type of question, like you will have 4 options and you have to select one. So this is all for today. Kindly complete your Lehrbuch, kindly complete your advice book, and don't forget to complete your notebook. And rest, if you will have any query regarding syllabus, regarding exam, regarding chapters, you know what you have to do. Feel free to ask on YouTube channel in the comment box. So everybody stay home, stay safe and have a nice day.